You know that you can also use your Mojito mint for salads, right? Let's go make one. I'm thrilled to partner with Manitoba chicken producers to bring you this mouthwatering recipe that features fresh herbs, seasonal veggies, and Manitoba chicken. We're making a refreshing and protein-rich chicken and chickpea salad. Let's start with the dressing. A 1/4 cup olive oil, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 3 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest, a teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper. Delicious. I've prepped everything except the herbs, and here's how I do that. So my parsley, I just run my knife across the top and take off the stems. That's just slide and take off the stem. And then we just chop it. For the mint, I'm actually going to do a chiffonade. I'm going to take my big leaves, pluck them off, and I'm stacking them. Then I'm gonna roll them and then slice. Turn the bundle and I chop it a couple of times. That way, ready to go. Now, we just toss everything together.
We've got chickpeas, tomatoes, cucumbers, roasted red peppers, medjool dates, parsley, mint, and then chicken and feta.
Oh, my mouth is watering. Let's dish it up. Let's have a taste, shall we? Perfect for a hot summer day. It's refreshing, it's light, it's flavorful.